How to use Microsoft Dynamics 365 Sales. Hello, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you've been searching for a professional enterprise ready tool that blends smoothly with Microsoft 365, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the basics of Microsoft Dynamics 365, which is one of the strongest contenders in the CRM space. It's designed to help you manage customer relationships effectively, and the best part is you can even try it out for free. So, to begin, you'll first log in through your web browser. Your admin will provide credentials, or you can start with a trial account. Once you're inside, you'll notice there are different modules such as Dynamics 365 Sales, Customer Service, Contact Center, Customer Insights. For this walkthrough, we'll focus on Dynamics 365 Sales. After logging in with your email, the first step is building a customer database. In Dynamics, accounts represent the businesses you interact with. Each account record contains essential details such as addresses, phone numbers, related records, open opportunities, and even customer service cases. Alongside accounts, you'll also manage contacts. These are the individual people tied to each company. Each contact record includes their personal details, connected accounts, and a history of activities. This interconnected view is vital for personalized engagement. And next are leads, which represent potential clients or businesses that show interest. You'll capture their information, such as the source and reason for interest, and log activities like phone calls, emails, or meetings on their timeline. This timeline acts as a complete history of all communications, and once a lead is verified as a real opportunity, you can qualify it and move it along the sales process. This opportunities section is where deal management truly happens. Here, you'll usually see a pipeline or Kanban style board displaying the progress of different deals. Each opportunity can include potential revenue, products offered, expected close dates, and competitor information. This visual workflow makes it easier to stay on top of every stage in the sales cycle. Another important feature is the activity section. Whether you're working with a lead, an account, a contact, or an opportunity, this is where every interaction gets logged. You can track phone calls, save notes, send and receive emails directly integrated with Outlook, schedule appointments, or assign tasks to yourself or teammates. Having this searchable history ensures your entire team is always up to speed on customer interactions. Beyond managing records, Dynamics 365 also offers powerful dashboards and reporting tools. These allow you to analyze your data, monitor team performance, and forecast revenue. You'll be able to visualize your pipeline, measure conversion rates, and identify best practices to improve sales strategies. There are also productivity tools such as the Sales Accelerator, Assistant Studio, templates for emails, built in calendars, and text messaging capabilities. Together, these features streamline your workflow and make collaboration easier across your sales team. In short, Dynamics 365 equips you with everything you need to centralize customer data, improve relationships, and grow your business. From managing accounts and contacts to tracking leads, opportunities, and activities, the platform gives you a complete toolkit to simplify sales and drive results. So now I'd love to hear from you. What's the biggest challenge you face in managing customer relationships, or which CRM feature matters most to your business? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And with that, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos. I'll see you in the next video.